Now I'm just going to hop into this pink Crease tutorial. Now I already did my face with the whole foundation, concealer, all that. Some of the products that I'll be using in this video I don't have a specific name for, so I'll be calling them how I see them, but they will be in the description box below. Let's start. This is a 24-piece brush set. I'm going to be using 3 brushes. I'm going to call them big, little, and pointy brush. Then I'm going to have 3 loose powders, a dark pink, holograph pink, and a white. It was a 30-piece I got from AliExpress. They give good pigment, so yeah, I rate that. Jaclyn Hill palette using the red and the blue shade that's in the bottom left. And lastly, this pink shade in this Santee palette I got for like $5. So first off, I'm going to take the big blending brush with the red shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And just going to take that all over my crease and blend it out into like Kian, blend it no more. You'll see what I'm saying. And then I'm going to take the pink in the Santee palette, I don't know if I'm saying it right or whatever, but with the same blending brush and just go over that red and blend it out. And I didn't think I mentioned this, but I got it in my local beauty supply, the palette. So I'll see if I can find it online for you guys, but no promises. But if I do, I'll link it below. Next will be the dark pink loose powder. And I'm going to do the same thing I've been doing before to each eye. And you guys, I love these loose powders. Like, it came with 30 of them, but 15 was loose powders and the other 15 was loose glitters. And it came with matching colors for each powder had a glitter. It's just dope. I'm going to make like a half moon shape right in the crease with the blue from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to do that with the pointy brush. But to blend it out, I'm going to switch to the liquid blending brush and an upward motion because I don't want it just in the crease, but I want it to be like a little above, which will give it like a purple bluish effect. I don't know y'all, but that hair flip gave me life, so I just added it in the video. But I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm going to take the pointy brush and just make like a little, I guess a half moon shape again, and just cut the crease and do it to the same thing as the other eye. And this part takes time, y'all, so y'all do not want to rush this. It has to be perfection at its best. Also, you don't want to go over the blue. Let the blue guide you like a guideline to where you need to cut. And I'm only going to take the concealer across halfway of my eye. I'm not going to take it fully, like cover the whole lid, only halfway. Now I'm going to take the white loose powder and go halfway up to the cut. And this is like its name, loose powder. It's all over my face, just falling. And if you could notice that, I gotta keep on packing it on because, I don't know, the white one, it doesn't give that much pigment. So I gotta keep on packing it on to get that white color that I want. The white would be the majority of our lid. And it took a couple minutes to do this, so I'm just gonna have to speed this up. Now it's time for my favorite color out of the whole set, the holograph pink. I love, love, love this color. It's so bomb. Like, I don't know if y'all can tell that it's holograph pink, but it is. And it's mad pretty, like. And I'm going to put that right after the white. I'm not going to take it all the way to the corner of my eye, only like right before I hit the end of my cut. using one of the random big brushes out of the set to just dust away the loose powder off my face. So I'm just going to go back again with the blue, and I'm going to put that only in the corner of my eye to give my eye more of a depth look, make it stand out more. Also, I'm going to blend it up with the holograph pink to give it a gradient effect and not make it like it's just there. So it'll be all blended out together and look nice and pretty. I got this regular old mascara from the 99-cent store, so it's nothing big, but I like it though. I like how it makes my lashes turn out. I'm going to do my lashes with that, and I don't know, a lot of people don't like their lashes to be clumped, but I like that effect, so that's what I'm going to do. So this is what we have so far, you guys, with the look. Thank you for hanging in there with me. And now I'm going to put on my false lashes, but before I do, I wanted to explain that I don't usually put them on like regular top of their lashes. I put them below my lash line, and I wasn't going to show in the video because I didn't want you guys to be like, oh, she nasty, what she doing? She shouldn't have showed it. But I decided that maybe someone might like this method and want to try it. So let me just show you guys how I do my false lashes. Right here, I'm just pressing my real lashes to the false lashes together. That's all. I'm just going to take the same method that I did from the top lid to the bottom lid, with the white in the corner, the holograph pink in the middle, but I'm going to take the santee, whatever, pink, and I'm going to take that from the end corner to the front and blend it. And this is the finished look. I just added some mascara to the bottom lashes and that's it, I swear. But thank you, beauties, for watching this pink cut crease tutorial. If you like this look, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up for this video. I have plenty more in store, so hit that subscribe button as well. And yeah, just leave me comments, let me know what you guys think. Thank you again, and see you guys next time.